In this video, I'm going to cover an example ACT problem that involves a hidden quadratic. So we have this problem. What is the solution set of the following equation? X to the fourth power plus 21x squared minus 100. Now in your algebra class, you're probably used to a quadratic, which is x squared plus x plus some constant equals 0. And you know how to factor or use a quadratic formula to come up with the solutions. But sometimes when you have x to the fourth power and then x squared, you can turn this into a quadratic and solve it that way. So let me show you how. So first I'm going to set u equal to x squared. Okay, so I'm going to define u as x squared. So I'm going to rewrite my equation using u. So x to the fourth is going to be u squared. Because if u squared is x squared, and if I square the x squared, that's going to be x to the fourth. Okay. X to the second is just going to be u, because u is defined as x squared. So I'm going to rewrite this equation as u squared plus 21u minus 100 is equal to 0. Now if I look here, I can try to see if I can factor it. I need two numbers that multiply to give me 100 up to 21. And we get 10 and 10 would give me 20. But then that's just not enough. I'm not sure if I can get to 21. If I go to 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 can go into 100. But 25 and 4. So it looks like that might actually work. 25 and 4. So if I do u and use my two sets of parentheses, I'm going to have u and u. I'm going to have the negative 25. Actually going to be positive 25 because it needs to add up to positive 21. And then minus 4. So 25 minus 4 gives me the 21. And negative 4 times 25 gives me my negative 100. So that's factored. And you're going to set each of your parentheses equal to 0. So u minus 4 equals 0. And u plus 25 equals 0. I'm going to add 4 here to both sides. So u equals 4. And over here, subtract 25 from both sides. So then u equals negative 25. Now at the beginning, we said u was x squared. So this is really x squared is equal to 4. And x squared is equal to negative 25. Now to solve for something squared, you got to take the square roots of both sides. Here's going to be x is equal to plus or minus 2, because positive 2 squared is 4, and negative 2 squared is also 4. So negative 2 times negative 2 gives you 4. So x can be positive or negative 2. Over here, take the square root of both sides. X is going to equal plus or minus. Now we're taking the square root of a negative number. We're going to get the square root of 25, which is 5. And the square root of negative 1, which is an imaginary number, I. So it's going to be plus or minus 5i. So if we look at our answer choices, they have plus and negative 2 and plus and negative 5i. So our answer choice E is the correct one.